Hey guys, and welcome back to another Clean with me. Today I had a few things on my list I wanted to clean up so that the house felt fresh and just overall clean again, especially downstairs. I don't know about you, but sometimes I can let things build up to the point where it just drives me mad and I just need to dedicate an afternoon to getting on top of things and prioritizing certain areas to refresh our space again. So I like to listen to a podcast while I'm cleaning up. That way it doesn't distract me fully. I do like watching things as well on YouTube and Netflix, but sometimes when I have to just get things done, I find a podcast is better because I'm not distracted by looking up at what I'm watching. I've mentioned this before, but I always like to start in the kitchen as this is the one area that gets the messiest as I'm just in and out of it all day. And especially now we have our dog Sully too, it's just nice to keep this space clean as this is where he eats and sits in sometimes. As it's been so nice actually, I've had the back door open so he can run in and out, but I do have to keep a close eye on him because he is a puppy and he can be a little bit cheeky and naughty, so that is my distraction now instead of watching Netflix and things. So a podcast is always a good option because I can just listen to it in the background. Here's the cheeky monkey. Here's the cheeky monkey. Say hello. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Look how much he's grown, guys. Apologies for the lighting because it is so bright outside. It is a bit dark to start with as I have the camera facing the window, but it will get lighter after this clip and hopefully this is giving you some cleaning motivation too, or whether you're cleaning along with me or it's just giving you the motivation just to get things done afterwards. Give this video a thumbs up if you're on a cleaning mission as well. little corner of the kitchen has become Sully's area where we keep his food and treats. I picked up the cute copper jars from Poundland, and then the pet mat is from Pets at Home, but I will be explaining all this in my Sulley update video if you want to know more about him and how he's getting along. But I do have an introduction video that I'll link down below as well if you haven't checked that out. Next it's onto the lounge. I do tend to keep this area pretty tidy and I don't really go in it much during the day in the week, and so in here I just like to tidy up the sofa, dust a little bit and hoover just to keep on top of things, and then I do a deeper clean every so often. As you can see, Sulley likes to follow me everywhere, and actually in this next clip I think he does naughtily get up on the table, so I had to go and put him in his cage for a little bit just so I could finish up in here. Usually in the morning is playtime, and then when Ben gets back in the evening we go for a walk and have lots of playtime then as well. Guys, if you've seen on the left the multicolored cleaning bottle, this is the new Method limited edition scent. It's by a designer called Morag Myers-Koff, I think, and the scent is Vivid Watermelon, and this one I have is the multi-surface cleaner, which is great for everywhere. And then they also do the washing up liquid, the soap hand wash and the foaming hand wash, I believe. But I really love this scent. It's gorgeous and obviously it's great for using everywhere, and the packaging is beautiful as well. I love the limited edition Method cleaners. They just come out with some really great ones, and also these bottles last for ages as well. The other cleaner that I use on a regular basis is the white vinegar. You guys know I love the spray bottle one from Stardrops. You can get this absolutely everywhere, but I tend to get mine in Home Bargains. It's super cheap, it's under £1, and I use this for lots of different things. However, I tend to use it mostly for cleaning mirrors and glass. Okay, finally my last task was to clean up my makeup vanity. This area does get very messy just because I'm applying lots of different powders and liquids, so the white table does show up everything. And also today I decided to change my mirror up and display it long ways instead, and I found that this does work better and it frees up a little bit of space in this corner. So that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this clean with me and it motivated you to get some stuff done around the house. I know I do feel much better when I have a clean space, just so I can focus on other things. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love you to be part of the PBB community, and have a great start to the week, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Say bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye bye. Thank you for watching. I know.